Hi everybody, welcome to GT Coding. In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress locally using a software called XAMPP. Now, one of the easiest ways to install WordPress locally is by using a tool called Local by Flywheel. But some people reported that they weren't able to install local. So in this video, I'll show you a different way to install WordPress locally. So we're going to be using a tool called XAMPP. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is just Google for XAMPP, and you'll find this website called apachefriends.org. So just go to that website, and here we can see we can download it for Windows, Linux or Mac. So just download for your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll just click on XAMPP for Windows, and we can see that it starts downloading. Now once you've downloaded XAMPP, just go ahead and install it just like all the other software that you install. When you're installing XAMPP, just take note of where it is being installed. So I installed XAMPP in the C drive in a folder called XAMPP. So after installation, you will find all these folders and files over here. So the first thing you need to do is scroll down and find a file called xampstart.exe. So just go ahead and double click on that. Now after that, you can go to your browser and just type localhost, and you should see this page right here called welcome to XAMPP. So if you see this page, you have installed XAMPP correctly. Now the next thing you need to download is WordPress. So just type WordPress on Google and you'll find this website called wordpress.org. So just go to wordpress.org and click on this button called Get WordPress, and just download WordPress from here. Now after downloading WordPress, you have to copy it to the XAMPP folder. So just go to the XAMPP folder, and in that you'll find a folder called htdocs. So here you have to create a folder for your website. So we'll just create a folder called GT Coding, and we'll paste our WordPress file over here. And this is a zip file, so we have to first of all extract that. So just right click over here and extract here. Now we don't want to have this folder called WordPress. We want to have everything inside this folder. So just copy everything and paste it outside our folder. And then you can delete the WordPress folder and also the zip file. Alright, so we have copied all the necessary WordPress files to our folder. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to create a database. So to create a database, you have to go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. Now here you have to create a new database. So just click on this new button right here, and then give a name to your database. So we'll just name it GT Coding DB, and then click on create. So our database has been created called GT Coding DB. Now you have to use the name of this database and some other information when you install WordPress to your website. Now you have to go to localhost/gtcoding. So gtcoding is the name that we had given to the folder in XAMPP. So just type localhost and the name of your folder and press enter. And you'll find this WordPress setup configuration page. So just select the language you want and click on continue. And here we can see that it says before getting started, we need to get some information on database. So we need the database name, which is GT Coding, the database username, which is usually root in XAMPP, and the database password, which is usually blank, and the database host, which is localhost, and the table prefix. So if you want to have any prefix before the name of your tables, then you can add a prefix over here. Alright, so let's click on let's go. Alright, so the name of our database is GT Coding DB. The username is root, the password is blank. We have localhost, and we'll keep the table prefix as WP_. And then simply click on submit, and then click on run the installation. And now here we need to have some information about our WordPress website. So the site title, so we'll just name it GT Coding, and the username, so we can have any username over here. I'll just type admin, and then you need to have a password over here. So we'll just type GT Coding admin at 123, and you should have a stronger password for your real website, but this is just a local website, so I'm not bothered about a strong password. And then you can type your email ID over here. So I'll just type an email ID over here, and then just click on install WordPress, and we can see that WordPress has been installed successfully. So we'll just click on login, and then type in our username admin and the password GT coding admin at 123, and we can see the dashboard of our website. And if we just go to view website, here is our website. So we have created this entire website locally using XAMPP. So this is basically how you create a local WordPress website using XAMPP. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you have any doubts or comments, you can type them in the comments below, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.